Tell me what you really want. Tell me what you really need. How you feel, wait, pause, don't care. When I did it wasn't that. Look around, Houdini on that ass. Now whose does it on ass? You like it up, last word, keep that. Bell down this way, puff, pass. Sweet baby.
All that fuckboy lame shit, I ain't with it. Lying on your Chase account, no, you need to quit it. Word to your mama though, over all your drama though. Save your girl a plate next time she cooking. I think I'm done crying. I think I'm done. And I think I'm done trying. Last word, you can keep that. Broken promises, disrespect, gotta keep that. Whoa. I think I'm done.
I think I'm done trying. Last word, you can keep that. Broken promises, disrespect, I don't need that. Whoa.
Faded and new brown, think I know I'm sipping. Vibing to the moon and the sauce is always dripping. Relationships that has changed, I ain't even tripping. Money is the only one I'm missing.
Bang, bang.
Shut up or you shut out.
Right.
I'm just tryna ball out.
Gang, gang. It's a pretty gang. Shout out to my last name. Day one, never change.
And my jit, that's my main. Picture perfect, no frame, and it's all the same. Learn some lessons off of heartbreaking, boy, you can't put the pieces together forever.
And I think I'm done crying. I think I'm done. That's where you can keep that. Broken promises, disrespect, I don't need that. And I think I'm done crying. I think I'm done. Yeah. Last word, you can keep that. Broken promises, disrespect.